Hi, my name is Esethu and I'm a director at the Black Door.
Hi, I'm Uletta Botipe. I'm script supervisor / continuity at the Black Door.
Uletta, do you remember when we were young and we'd read the drum magazine and stuff?
Yeah, you mean not same age, but yeah.
Oh well, yeah, because my young and your young are not the same. Well, what I used to do, what I used to love Drum Magazine for was the games that I used to find and also the updates on the soapies, on our daily soapies on a daily basis. You know, like finding out what's going to happen on the next day or the next week.
My favorite, let me see. I think fashion. Remember there used to be those ladies, the models, wearing clothes. This is from Markham, Jet, and whatever. Plus, we played in Mantua. What is Mantua?
Dolly House, whatever.
Dolly House, yeah.
Oh, and the lyrics. That was my other favorite thing. Getting the lyrics from the magazine of different songs. No, it's nicer because you can just tap in your phone and just
do the things, boo. I mean,
you know.
baby.